welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Flute with Hansi. I'm Hansi Agamage. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Pony Po song from movie 3 on our flute. Okay, so I will teach you how to play that song line by line, just chorus part. Okay, so notation you can get it from my WhatsApp channel, link in the description. So I will show you one time which part that I'm going to teach you, and then I will teach you how to play that by line. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna teach you how to play that part on our flute. Okay, so today I'm using my double G flute, which means C scale flute. You guys can use that any flute that you have. So first part like this. Same notes are ni pa dha, ni pa dha. After you play dha, you just come down like to pa, like dha, ni pa dha, ni pa dha. Okay, like that. One more time. Okay, so and then that line you need to repeat that line for 2 times, like sa ni sa dha dha sa ni dha ni pa. Okay, repeat that line for 2 times. Sa ni sa dha dha sa ni dha ni pa. Okay, and then ga ga dha pa tirama pa. Okay, so when you play pa ma pa, you need to play tirama, not shuddhama. Ga ga dha pa ma pa, and then you have to play shuddhama. Ma ga ma re ma ga, ma ga ma re ma ga. You need to play tirama only at pa ma pa. Okay, after that you play only shuddhama, not tirama. Okay, one more time. Ga ga dha pa ma pa, ma ga ma re ma ga. Repeat that line also for 2 times, right? Ga ga dha pa ma pa, ma ga ma re ma ga. Ga ga dha pa ma pa, ma ga ma re ma ga. And then sa ni sa dha dha sa ni sa dha dha ni pa. One more time. Sa ni sa dha dha sa ni sa dha dha ni pa. Repeat that line also for 2 times. Okay, one more time. Sa ni sa dha dha sa ni sa dha dha ni pa. Okay, and then okay, dha ni sa ri sa re ga re. One more time. Dha ni sa ni sa re sa re ga re. And then dha ni sa ni sa re sa ni dha ni. One more time, both lines. Dha ni sa ni sa re sa re ga re. Dha ni sa ni sa re sa ni dha ni. And then same notes as you played before, but the way you're playing it a little bit different. Okay, so notes are same, like dha ni sa ni sa re sa re ga re. First time you played it like dha ni sa ni, but now it like dha ni sa ni sa re sa re ga re. And the last time you played it as before, dha ni sa ni sa re sa ni dha ni. Okay, one more time, whole part, that dha ni sa ni, that whole part. Dha ni sa ni sa re sa re ga re. Dha ni sa ni sa re sa ni dha ni. Dha ni sa ni sa re sa re ga re. Dha ni sa ni sa re sa ni dha ni. And then just repeat the first part like we played before. Pony po, that part. Like that. That's it, guys. So now you know how to play the chorus part of Pony Po song. Okay, I hope you guys find this very useful, and I hope you guys will also able to play this song part after watching this video. So comment what you think about this video, and also if you need any tutorials, comment so I can make tutorials for you guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. So keep playing, keep practice. Thank you for watching.